walay hilakay.
Tuluay na, luga.
So, walay hilakay ha.
Hindi ako mahina.
So, ano lang, drama, tsaka. Sorry kayo. Hindi sa comment ako sa'yo.
Huwag kayong iiyak ka.
Siguro na-misunderstand ko lahat na your intentions mo. Kaya,
Ilabas ang lahat.
katulad ng sabi ko sa letter, ruthless ako, tsaka hindi ako nagamay kung sino masaktan ko. Siguro, nakinig ko na sila. Alam ko kung basta, sorry. Kasi, on day one, na ipanganak mo ako, alam ko, you felt like there's like no other gift. Diba? Ako, saksi ako sa lahat ng hirap mo. But then I disregarded everything. I messed up and made my life miserable. But one thing's for sure, Ma, that will never, ever, ever change. I love you. I may not have shown it very well, but I know deep inside my heart, one big reason I stole away is because alam ko wala ka na-trust sa akin. Sabi ni Chichak, diba sa'yo? One thing na ayaw niya mawala sa'yo is yung trust. Alam ko, one thing that I did is messed up, and then because of that mess I made, everything was shattered. I will not force myself to be with you again. Kasi, as what you've told me, you already have the peace of mind you wanted. But still, I am the reason why you're taunting. I'm so sorry for... Siguro, if you were given a chance, and you knew I had a lot of things that really messed up your life, you would be wishing that I was never born. I know. Because I myself said, sana hindi na lang ako pinanganak. No, I'm not saying nag-regret ko na nabuhay ako ha. But, alam mo kung anong mga kasalanan ko sa'yo. Diba? I'm not saying this para, I'm saying this wholeheartedly. And I'm so sorry if I became a big disappointment. I am the eldest and I should have guided my sisters and brother. But then, I made myself like, I'm showed to everyone that I am someone who is messed up. I'm so sorry. I love you.